That's what you call revving. I don't know what you were doing.
This car is on round 3?
Oh yeah. And the cops are coming.
What is going on, fellow redliners? Welcome back to today's video. The observant viewer will note there is a beautiful Borla exhaust piece in here. And we also have the Corvette over here. Let's see if you guys can put 2 and 2 together. Now the question is, will this fit in the Corvette? Everyone knows that the Corvette has one of the biggest trunks in the game. Actually, I think probably out of all sports cars, definitely by far has the biggest trunk space. Now, I don't know if we're going to be able to fit this in here. That is the question. That's the, well, $1 million question. Let me attempt it and see what happens. Well, it would appear like we have a problem. Even if I lay it down that way, it's like sticking out this far out of the car, like it's here. So that doesn't fit. This doesn't fit. Not quite sure what the best course of action is here, fellas. So I'm gonna see if I can figure out how I'm gonna get it in the car. Leave it in the comment section down below right now. Leave your guesses as to if I'm able to fit this in the car, and if so, how. Well guys, I've come to the realization that there is indeed no way to fit that Borla exhaust piece in the trunk. So if anyone wants a Borla exhaust system, it's right in front of my house. Come pick it up free. I'm just kidding, guys. I have one more idea. Let's see if that one pans out. If it does, it's going to be extremely uncomfortable for me to get this to Sky's garage, to my buddy's garage. Well, it would appear as though we have a winner. Now, I'm not quite sure if I'll be able to shift okay, but that, my friends, is how it's done. Target top for the win. I'm probably gonna get some weird looks, boys. Oh my god. Well, boys, this is what it looks like. This is essentially how I'll be driving down the street for about 30 minutes to get to my buddy. Well, you guys saw him in the previous vlog, Sky's garage, Steve's shop. Actually, the majority of it is actually sticking out of the car. And well, only a little bit of it is actually inside. So I'm hoping, and it's also freezing, guys. It's like 25, 26 degrees right now, so this won't be a pleasant drive in. And it's, well, it's completely cloudy, so no sun to keep me warm. I don't know. Hopefully this thing doesn't fly out. Doesn't seem exactly secure. I'm just gently tapping it, and it's already like prying backwards. So I guess we'll see. This is what that looks like right there. Yeah, that is quite the interesting sight. I don't know if anyone, I'm not quite sure if anyone else has ever done this before. I'll be the first. You guys know you're in for a good time when you haven't even begun moving yet, and my nose is already running. Let's see what happens, boys. Take a look. Oh yeah, she's sticking out. Yeah, pretty confident I have frostbite if the camera focuses. My hands are completely red. I'm basically holding my hand here because anything above like 20, 25 miles an hour, this thing gets lifted and it's about to like fly off the car. So basically, how I'm driving is I'm basically putting my hand like that, and there's so much wind inside the car, it just basically kills. Like, it's so cold in here, guys. Well, homies, we've made it. I don't know how much I've made. Let me tell you, the temperature is showing 31, 32 degrees, but let me tell you what feels like 200-mile-an-hour winds are hitting you at 32 degrees, you're about to die. I definitely did not dress for the occasion correctly. That is my fault, my own stupidity. But oh man, like there is terrible like wind buffeting, like it just swirl galore. This thing's lifting, my hand's holding it. It was a complete disaster, but boys, let me tell you what, we did it. And also, we have a very, very, very strict no cell phone policy where I live, like most states or most places around the world. However, Triggered Squad, you know how many people I counted? taking pictures, like driving around. The looks that I was getting from people, just unreal. People were so puzzled as to what the hell is going on with this thing sticking out the well, look how, let me see if I can show you. Look how far out this thing sticks out. That's me, and that's the box. Like, it's way up there, boys. It is way up there. And I'm just cruising along, like half holding it, like with my hand over here, and driving super slowly and carefully, obviously. We actually improved our fuel economy. We're at 9.7 because of this whole thing. The slowest drive I've ever done in my whole life, let me tell you what. And I'm absolutely freezing, so let's get inside and let's get this installed. Made it in, boys. We got the Evo starting the wrap. You guys saw this in the last vlog there. Obviously it was unwrapped. This is the gold that the person chose. You can see how much flake it has, and obviously they're going with some gold wheels to match. Little too much for my liking, but you know, to each their own. Pretty cool and unique, I'll tell you that much. You'll probably never see anything like this in the city besides this one. You got both panels on the doors. The Supra that you guys saw last time. This is almost done. You can see the driver in there through the window. Probably gonna get demonetized for that, even though I make 5 cents a video, so that's all good with me. But you can see it's a manual. This was a swap. It was an NA car, so they swapped the turbo into it. But you can see the detail work of the wrap here. I actually really like this nice satin. It's like gunmetal satin. Very nice. Here she comes, boys. God damn. Oh, that scared me. I was caught off guard. That's loud. Yo, that's actually loud. Yo, give... Oh man, Steve, come on, give her.
Give her shit?
Wow, yo, come stand right here. It's crazy. You can actually feel the air. Go.
What's the model?
It's the C7 Z51. This is same. This one will work on a Z06, a base C7, anyone. It's all the same thing. And this one basically bypasses the cats, so it's basically just a straight X pipe. So in the box, I also got a nice Borla hat. You get your clamps there, as you guys can see, and a bunch of instructions. It's a pretty straightforward install, as you guys can see. 1X. That's the difference with the Corsa. The Corsa unit will have a double X. I opted for this one, more of a raw American muscle sound. The Corsa gives you like more of a little bit more exotic. That's what I've heard. Look at them meats at the back. Alright guys, she is back down. If you guys want to watch the install video on the car, I have that. I'll link it up here in the top. You guys can watch. It's just the exclusive install. I didn't want to link everything together. Now let's take a look at her. She's back on the ground. We got the Borla X-Pipe on. You guys can see the old X-Pipe right here. Hold up. Alright, so the first cold start of the new exhaust system. Let me just grab the sound meter here. Again, I don't know what I just said, accept it. Okay, there we go. Sound meter's in place, and we are ready. Whenever you're ready, Steve.
Give her shit. I'm still recording.
I'm gonna do the same thing as before.
Yeah, you
Startup doesn't sound that much louder. I don't know. I gotta go back to decibel and see what it was before. Same thing as last time. Yeah, definitely louder on the rev. Oh yeah. Man, it crackles way more. I'll tell you what, boys, it crackles way more right off the bat. Steve revved it a little bit. It was very, very minor, and it crackles and pops way, way more. So he's gonna turn around here as soon as, I don't know what this guy's doing. All right, I've told Steve to do an impressive launch. Here we go. Holy cow, that's loud. Wow. Yo, she lit her up. I wish you guys could see. Hang on. Let me turn on the flash here. You can see the tracks there. It lit up the tires, I'll tell you that much.
This guy is insane.
What?
He's insane. You're insane. Subscribe to Sky's Garage.
Oh my god.
Like if I did that, I'd be dead right now.
I'm trying to be like somewhat gentle. I'm dropping the clutch very slowly and oh my god.
Ask for one more. Hey, back up. This guy's gonna actually come so hard. That's a stop sign.
Oh.
You're a madman. That's crazy. Yeah, insane. You're crazy.
Mitch, what's the channel?
Sky's Garage. Plug.
What's your channel?
Sky's Garage.
No, your channel, nigga.
My channel? Oh, I don't even remember. Sky's Garage.
Oh my god.
It's an Indy 500 right here. It's not stopping.
This car round 3?
Oh yeah. And the cops are coming. let's go back and let's slowly back away.
I'll start in the corner.
And I'm going back in the shop.
Here she is after I drove her. You can hear her sucking for air. And it's like 22, 23 degrees outside right now. And I guess she's hot. I gave her, I mean, hopefully Steve got some good clips for you guys. But she was definitely driven, I'll tell you that much. She's still stuck in here. It's off, the car's off. Apparently I shot some flames. You said I shot a small flame, eh?
Yeah, small.
We got it. See, if it's warmer, I bet you I could probably have shot, like, it's so cold now. So I bet you in the summer if we give her. Anyways, guys, I don't know if you guys can see me or not. I turned on the light just a bit. I'm going to close out the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video.